Okay, what's up, everyone? Welcome again to Knowledge Show channel. For today, we will trading on IQ options. So my target goal of every single day is $100 to $200 every single day. $100 to $200. So we are going to trading this. Okay, the first thing that you needed to do is you need to learn about the market first, and you need to see the pattern of the market are going. So which direction it should reverse back to buy, or it should continue to sell. So I always check for the trends. This one they have a pretty range one, broad kinds of market, very broad, and then they have a very good trend line. That's pretty good trend line here. So sometimes trend line is a good indicators on this kind of trading. So you always check to the trend line, and it's always running into this kind of same patterns of the market. 1, 2, 3, and then you look at the volumes. It's come around here, and the volume is quite big. It's quite risky too. Actually, I should waiting for the next one to go. But it look like I'm going to win on this one. Okay, yep, it was a lucky one. Yeah. So the reason that I am going to buy on this one, the first thing I look at the pattern of the market. So what kind of pattern they are creating. They will always repeating that kind of pattern and reverse into the buy or into the sell. So that's why I create this trend line, because I want to see that how when it's bound back up at what point. So my guess was around this point, because it's coming touch the trend line, and after touch the trend line, it's exactly going reverse. And then you should check also, so should not forget on this one, is the volume, because volume is telling you anything about the amount of people participating into the market. If most people are going to go on short, or they are going on long, short or long, or it's mean buy or sell. So they're going on buy direction. So now it's going up more again. Yeah. That's my prediction was right, because the next one should be long ones too, because this is going to reverse back. And let's check on the pattern here also, because this also will tell that the market will come back at what point. See, this one will tell you how much or when the market should come back down. And you also check the top here, around here. This is the top, like the top rising at this moment. Okay, the recent moment, the most recent moment that they are rising, and then they suddenly falling back. So this is the point where it should going into selling direction. Okay, I got like $90 already. Let's make another, because my goal is to make $100 or $200. Okay. So we have so at this point the price should be falling back, or it should falling back on this one if this one is short. If this one is long, Okay, it's equal power, and the power of the buy and the sell just equally much around here, but it's and at this price levels. Okay, it's going to fall back. I wait for the volume of sell or the volume of buy are winning. So which one is winning? And then I will take side. We see that the volume of buy decline around this area, decline. And then they're going into equal powers. And then you see that sell volume start to participating in this area. Okay, I think it's going to be a short one. Yeah. Let's go short. Okay. Pretty powerful sell. It's increasing and it's creating something called engulfing. Engulfing is mean it's cover this doji, the spot doji around here and falling back with a really shoot power on selling around these areas. And you can see that this trend line not even touching top one, the top trend line not even touching, and then it's falling back. So it means that the sell power is going to take place, and this time it's going to break this uptrend line, up line around here. This is the uptrend line that I just draw it. I believe that this one going to break this one soon, and it's going to move a little more lower on this one. If I am winning on this trade. Okay. Okay, that's amazing. It's going to move down more for sure on this kind of market. But the power is equally. When this power is equally, it's kind of, I don't know, maybe they're going to touch on the top trend for sure. Maybe they're coming to touch around here and then they fall back. Yeah, I think so. They're going to touch here and then fall back again. But it was my luck that I am right here because I see that the buy volume is going on pretty up, like strong. You can see that this volume is strong now. So it's going to touch around here. So I can go in on buy on the next one for sure. So okay, so our second ones we are correct. Now let's be going on. Oh, almost touching. It's too much. It's almost touching the line, so I don't go buy on this one. If it's end around here, I can go buy. Yeah, if it's end around here, I can go on buy. But when it comes to too high around this area is too high, almost touching the downtrend. So nope, I'm not going to go on buy on that one. I'm waiting for this to touch and then fall back, and then I'll go on short. Okay, let's see. It's fall back. Mhm. I know that is going to be like a fall back here. How strong it is on the sell. That's pretty strong. But I'm not sure, there's doji around here. It's really like it's going to touch somewhere around here. Maybe it's going to break the uptrend up there. I don't know. It's doji here. But if this is a red one, that can be a strong on the downtrend. But when you see doji like this, so it means that an uptrend is still strong. They're going to break here, or maybe I don't know. Let's see, which volume is going to win at this point. Or they're creating another doji. If they are going to create another doji, that can be interesting. Like fall and then doji, and then up. And it's come back to fall. Two candle is fall, falling and falling. Is that going to be a doji again? Okay, I can go sell. Okay, I can go sell. Mm, buy again? Wow. If this candle is going to be buy, the next one going to be buy for sure. So I'll go 87s. 87s. 87. Okay. Yep. To just recover the loss that I make a mistake around here. The sell keep on increasing and pushing, and then buy taking place. That interesting. So let's see if I am wrong on this one. I will going on to not buying because not buying. This is not convinced also on the buying. But why the volume of the buying coming just in the middle? Now let's short another one. I go short another one. 87. 87. Now let's go short. Okay, I think it's going to be short for sure. I don't see any volume on the buy. I missed this one. It's just like a miss. Just like what's here that I'm losing? I see that the volume of the sell is keep on increasing, and then at a sudden, just buy just come in. You don't see the sales add on the volume, and it just lose to this. It just lose to the buy, and then I'm going to follow. Yeah. So I'll tell you after this trade that why I am following this one. Yep. Right. So the reason that I am following on this sell because I see that I'm going short on this one, right? I'm going short on this one, and then at a sudden the candle just got to reverse. It's going into green, but when this green is going to be strong, I need the volume of the green to be like at least staying around this sell area, like top here. Let me show you what is this. Okay. Should be around this area. The buy volume should be staying around this area. This is more convincing that this candle is going to buy more, but it just very small volume around here. But where is my sell volume is missing? So when I see that is small volume missing and the candle is just a small kind of candle, it's a weak candle, it's not pretty strong candle, and it ends just right there at the opens, right there at the open of the bearish candle. So I believe that this is not a strong power indicating that it's going to be more on bullish, but I believe that it's going to be more on the bearish. So this is the reason I am going on short. Okay, let's come to the trend now. Sometimes it's create, the same like this. Come back to the trend and reverse back up. But I need to wait for the volume of the buy take place at this price, at this trend level. If you don't see any level around here participating, and then you don't see the winning. Okay, this is going to be my last trade for the day. Yeah. Okay, we see buys coming. You see buy coming, but you see the volume of the buy here. That's pretty weak one. But since it's touched the line, it is really a possible that it's going to be an up more direction. It's touched the uptrend line. This is the uptrend line. If this is going to be a red one, I'm going to the next one is red for sure. But if this one is going to be a doji, I am not convinced with the doji one. Okay, we got the bearish candle form. And let's check the volume form. Okay, step back. It's I think it's a possible on sell. Okay, my last trade for sure. It's come back to the trend, or it's going to break, because my prediction, I think it's going to break this uptrend. Okay, my last trade. I don't know. Let's go up close. Okay, awesome. So great job. I believe that is going to break the uptrend, and it's going to fall back more on this market right now. Uh, that's it, guys. So I hope this video is going to help you in any way in your trading. I believe that it will help you in somehow. This is my experience in the trading. This is my self learning on this kind of trading. There are mistakes that I make. There are good thing that I make, but I believe that you always take the good part of it and improve into your trading style. So sooner or later, I believe that you will become one of the great trader in any kind of trading, not just forex, not just binary, any kind of trading, whether you are trading on stock or whatever it is. Those kind of trading are great unless you will understand the good day, the good times, and the bad times, because in the market is really fluctuating. Sometimes it's going into your expectation, but sometimes it's not. The best thing that you learn and the best thing that you need to practice more and more is to control your emotion and also your money, because this is the most important part in trading. If you can't control your loss, you can't control your emotion, you can end up seriously in the loss in the market. So we are not following in the trade blindly with no strategy, with no controlling on your account, because this is going to be a devastating results in the long run, especially in this kind of trading business. So that's it, guys. I believe that you have a wonderful day. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the videos to your friends. One more thing is that let's refresh my account on history trading for today, just to confirm that this is the real account, and I was trading on digital, and this was today 13. Let's refresh that. So real profit is 164. There are 3 trades that I made and was mistake and was wrong. So this is the loss that I make is $160 on the loss, and then I recover back on this green right for today. Yesterday, I think yesterday was a good one. Yesterday I got like almost $300 onto the trade. There's a right, there's a wrong, but mostly I'm going on to the right one. So yesterday was great. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.